There's a good selection of used electric cars out on the market that offer fantastic value for drivers. And like any big purchase, doing a bit of research ahead of time can help you find the best deal. Buying a used electric vehicle isn't that different from buying a used gasoline vehicle, but EVs do have some nuances to be aware of. First, the maintenance history. Electric vehicles need far less maintenance than gasoline vehicles, but you should still ask the previous owner or the dealer about any maintenance or service history that may be available. Most importantly, make sure any software upgrades or recalls have been attended to. Next, a battery health report. A dealer or manufacturer certified technician can use diagnostic equipment to provide a battery health report. Sometimes the car can provide you with an estimated range on a full battery and battery health reports in one of its menus. You can also check Carfax or AutoCheck for a record of battery replacement or service. Asking for one of these reports is good practice as they contain other valuable information to help you determine the true value of the car. You will also want to check on the battery warranty. Most battery warranties cover at least 8 years and 100,000 miles or more. The best way to confirm the warranty is to contact the automaker's customer service department with the vehicle identification number. The customer service department can tell you when the warranty expires and whether it is transferable to subsequent owners. Don't forget about charging. If you have a garage or a driveway, installing a home charger will make your life with an EV even easier. Depending on their age, electric vehicles can charge at very different rates. Some older cars may charge at a slower rate, but if you're plugging in overnight, every night, charging speed may not be a factor for you. Also, ask the seller to include the charging cord and all associated hardware that came with the vehicle originally. Deciding to buy a used electric car can net you big savings, especially when you know your driving habits and what you actually need out of an electric car. The newest model may not always be the best fit when you're looking to save. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get recommendations for other useful content on GreenCars and how they can work best for you.